And one.
How's it feel to be a graduate?
It feels amazing. It's kind of surreal, honestly, but I'm very proud of myself. First gen on dad and mom's side.
And look right here at me.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love that.
I was waiting for ya, but it's okay. I said I'm trying to pull up on ya, headed that way, and I'm like, why you trying to gaslight me? Girl, you got the things I need.
Real, raw, unfiltered. That was cute. Just like that. Yep, nice and up tall. So maybe you come here like this, and you have your thing like this. Yeah, like that. There you go. Just try that. Turn your torso towards me. Just like that. Yeah, that's cute. Make sure your necklace stays the same. There we go. That's cute. There you go. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. And 1. All right. Same exact thing, but come over here and you're gonna hold onto here. So while that hand's there, you're gonna be like this. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. There we go. Yep. And then turn your like top towards me a little bit, like that. Yep. Just like that. Hold 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold. Then move. 2, 1. Yep. Hold. 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 3, 2, and 1. Look up that way and look right here. Yep. And 1. There you go. All right, check this out real quick. Not actually, don't check it out real quick. Come. Let's go over more, and you're gonna cross this leg over here, just like that. Yeah, just like that. There we go. There we go. Yeah, should have put some tape on that bad boy. Yeah. All ready? There we go. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yeah, cute. And look up and off that way. And 1. And look right here at me. Tilt your head up a little bit and over. There you go. Yep. And look off that way. And look right here at me. There you go.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love that.
All right. And then now, with that other hand, we can do you holding your cap, so that way you can block it like a little bit, you know, to help you out a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, eye contact. Put your head up a little bit. Hold it up. And look out that way.
Okay.
Smile a little bit.
Okay.
like just you know, maybe a little bit. Maybe look a little happy, you know, like maybe potentially. There we go. So do it again. I'm gonna have you come over here though. So you're holding, this leg's here, and you're holding. You can hold your I'll move it around, but that's the bottom half that I want you to do.
Wait, how was my legs?
Other one. There it goes like that, yep. And then you hold it like here. So maybe you like hold yeah, just like that. There you go. There you go. Look right there. There you go. And look right here. Yep, just like that. Hold it, yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there we go. Yes, there you go. Exactly. Hold it, yep. And 1. One more. Look right here. Keep following me with your eyes, yep. And 1. There you go. The hands, and you're gonna hold it down like this.
Okay. Or
Other leg. Yeah, like that. Yeah, just like that. Hold it. See, you want to tell her job, bro. She don't know her description. She like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm just here for real, like. There you go. Huh? You doing? Exactly. Yep. And 1. Hold it. There we go.
You hungry?
I'm chewing gum.
Oh.
What are you talking about? What you
Your
talking?
stomach.
Oh, but no, I'm chewing gum. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, what you trying to say?
Okay.
Hold on, wait. Look. There you go. Look inside of there. Choose an eye.
Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Those are cute. But I like that side better.
Which one?
This side. I think.
Oh, wait, go back then. No, I mean, no, show me. Let me show you. Hold on, because I think I took the same amount of each. I did both. I was like, just in case, because you never know. I think I got your slit on that other side. But look, see.
Yeah, that side fire.
So you got both.
Yeah. So this is my side.
Mm-hmm. Wanna do more on this one? Let me see your stole real quick. Oh, got little pockets in it.
Yeah,
Might be able to put,
I can put my shoes in.
you can put one slide here, one slide there, even it out. Look up and out that way. Yep, hold. And one.
Ooh, those are nice. Okay.
I mean, what are you trying to look like? How do you? Do you want to do gown here, or do you want to do gown somewhere else?
We could do. It don't really matter.
So, you got the wooden pathway, you got the statue, you have this glass building right here.
What do you suggest?
Oh, for the cap and gown?
Yeah.
Oh, I would say the statue or glass building cap and gown.
Okay.
Did you want to do more in this though?
No.
All right, bet. So let's start heading that way then.
You know I gotta change my shoes though, right?
Yeah, right now. It's not that far, but it's not that far. You see where the glass is at? Where the umbrellas are?
Mm-hmm.
It's right there. Oh my gosh, yes, T. Oh wow. Oh wow. Clocking it. Wow.
I wanted to do one like this.
You're still not posing correctly, but I'll fix it. I'll tell you what to do because I'm doing it like this. It's not doing it right, but it's okay. Come. If you're gonna do it like that, come like right here. There, right there. So it's gonna be thumb and thumb. Like stop gripping so hard. There you go. Yeah. Chin up. There you go. You're like, I ain't never did it before, so I don't know. There you go. Hold 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Look off that way. Don't move. And don't move. Come over more. Just like don't move your top half. Just move your body. Yep. Scoop shit. Shifting. And shifting. Shifting. And shifting. There we go. Right there.
Oh my goodness. Oh, those are cute with me smiling. Right.
How does it feel to be a graduate?
It feels amazing. It's kind of surreal, honestly, but I'm very proud of myself. First gen on dad and mom's side. I majored in psychology because growing up, like my brother was diagnosed with ADHD, and it kind of made me think about how our minds think and just the process of it all, like diagnosing people and really getting to know like mental health and things like that. That is a very tricky question. I'm not really sure, but I know my end goal is to help people. So right now after I graduate, I'm going to be getting my master's in business administration. So I'm not sure if I want to go towards like opening my own facility for maybe youth, because I know that I want to help kids more so. That come from like broken homes or just have like, not the greatest support system. Study and know your worth and know what you want in life. Don't let outsiders or just outside life get in the middle of your education. Because it's a big moment, again, first gen. So I definitely want to make this memorable, and also like all my family getting a picture, like everybody getting a picture sent in the mail. So yeah. Because Taxi is the best. He always come with the poses. He come with professionalism, everything. Like I've been shooting with him since what, 2020, like when you first started. So yeah, it's been years. Like I always choose him because I know that the pictures are gonna come out raw, 1, and 2, he's gonna give me poses.
Oh man. All right, they just finished. All right, so this is gonna be our last spot for today, you guys. Nice chill vibe for the grad today. We kind of stayed relatively in one spot. There's like 5 to 10 spots in this one spot. Like, this is Memory Mall. So Memory Mall has a lot of spots to be able to shoot, and also if you have like a different or diverse eye, you're able to see things that other people can't see. So I like to kind of like do like different types of shots that others don't always do. Sometimes you get the simple ones in there, but others that you don't, like that one that we just did with the glass like thing. Like people don't really usually always look at that. Like that's also a seal. There's also a seal there in the top that people don't usually look at.
We're trying to like think about like where all the seals are and do like different types of shoots, like incorporating all the different vibes. So like, everything doesn't look always, you know, just over basic, you know.
This school is huge.
The school is also very huge.
I'm an online student, so yeah.
Yeah, so she's also overwhelmed. This being her first time on campus, she is also overwhelmed. She's like, wait, this is a lot going on right now. I don't know where to go. Taxi, tell me what to do.
You gotta tell me where to park. I'm like, okay. I'm like, do I need to make a reservation to come here?
I'm like, no, we go on campus and shoot. And she's like, so you're just allowed to just go on campus and just take pictures and no one's gonna trip? I'm like, nah, everybody's here doing the same thing. Okay, all right. Because it's grad time, so like they know that grads are coming, so it's like they're not tripping too much about a graduation shoot, and there's a graduation happening right behind us as well. Like, so they're also graduating currently, so they know what they signed up for. They know what they signed up for. They signed up for confetti and everything all on the floor, all scattered around. They signed up for it. They know what they signed up for. Drinking on that hand, I know you like that Bacardi. I say I'll pull up. I ain't gonna lie, y'all ass definitely not going. We're next. I don't see a grad, but don't care. One thing about me, I'm gonna get in line. Okay, I pull up. Okay, I pull up. I think they better all be together. They better all be together. Yeah. Tilt the head up a little bit, love. There we go. Drop that right there. There we go. Yes. Oh, that's actually cute. You holding your thing like that. There you go. Turn your hand inward though, like that, and then like come like that. So like this right here. There you go. Like grab the whole thing. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, that's cute. There you go. Hold. 3, 2, and don't move. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. Yeah. 3, 2, and 1. And 1. That's cute. Leave that hand down. Pop that knee a little bit more though. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Just like that. And then hold onto here. Hold a little bit lower so you can see UCF. Yep. Yeah, you seen it. Well, you felt it, and you didn't see it. You felt it though. That's cute. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Do that again, but do it right here. So like facing me, you got it, it's okay. Like right here, yep. Right here. Think, I gotta move again? Yes, you do. You don't look like this side of your face, I'm trying to help you out.
Oh yeah, that's
yeah, he remembers, yeah. There you go. Yep, just like that. And then hold both, yep. Like that, hold. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Yeah, that's cute, yep, there you go. Now do one right in the middle, just like that. And come towards me. So where you're like right here. Yep, I'm gonna keep making you walk because it's almost done. So it's okay, just the final countdown. There you go. We gotta even that out. Don't bring her to no other. She don't hear me? Don't bring her to, huh, what happened? None. She get called out, she put the camera up. Oh boy, she's hungry. Yeah, there you go. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Hold, don't move. 3, 2, 1. I'm backing up to get that compression, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go. Don't move, hold on, I'm gonna get closer. Yep, you got it, just breathe. Or don't. And 1. Smile, teeth. There you go. And you should be done. Look right here though.
Ooh, these are cute.
Sacrifice. I'm not about to show you. I'm about to give you this. I ain't about to show you.
That's just...
You the one who's struggling with the heels. They're gonna ask me to take more. Yep, sideways. Ain't that bit side. Aim it to the side and twist the bottom. Now you're good. I'm gonna count you down. Don't do it yet. Hold on. All right, ready? Up 3. 3, 2, and 1. You scared somebody. Yeah, it was a vank. It was confetti. Whatever it's called. It was confetti. Confetti. Everybody looked crazy as hell. It was confetti. Yeah, you like, oh, it wasn't me. Like, I'm sorry. Like, it was definitely you.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, you caught yourself off guard. It was confetti, guys. But I think it made it feel louder because there's hella humans. You should be good though. How about, unless you want to pop the other one. All right.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.